Hi, I'm Roland from Impress IT Solutions. If you're in construction or manufacturing in Houston, you already know time is money. Deadlines are tight, crews are spread across sites, and when tech goes down, it stops everything. Unfortunately, most IT providers are built for office environments, not job sites. They don't get what it's like when your crew's stuck waiting for a file to load or your systems go down mid-project. At Impress IT, we've spent 23 years fixing that. We guarantee 10-minute response times, and we understand field conditions because we work in them every day. Here's our 3-step plan to keep your tech running smoothly. Book a free 15-minute discovery call. We do a complete IT and security assessment, then we implement a plan and become your IT partner. Stop wasting time chasing tech support. Start focusing on growing your business and leading your team, knowing your IT just works. Click below to book your call or download our free IT checklist for construction and manufacturing leaders. We're Impress IT Solutions, local, responsive, field tested,